Hello, welcome to Nattys Crafts. I'm Natalie. I always do all the crafting, and today we're going to do day 8 of the 12 days of crafting by Aldi. So we've got our kit here and we're just working it down. We're going to get all 12 down. So let's go ahead and go take a look.
All right, day 8. Let's see what we've got. The box gives you an indication of what the craft is, so I can kind of see it's some sort of mug. But the picture was very indescript, so let's see what we got here. All kinds of little pieces. And there's the picture of what it's supposed to look like and what we're going to try to make it look like. And this is another one. It's basically just decorating. I mean, I guess they're all kind of just decorating because they're ornaments. But this is one where, you can kind of make it your own. If you had some stickers of your own or gemstones of your own, you could maybe make it a little bit more special. But it's easy to do. And so anyone can do this, literally. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick the pieces onto the background, which is the actual mug holder, or the thing that's going to hold the mug. We're going to put everything on there. And because the mug is blue, I am going to use their blue hanger that they provided. They use the same hanger in every ornament, and I do not like the hangers. But this one, it suits the background there, so it will work. Sorry about the blurry. I don't know what's going on there. It's trying to focus because my big old head got in the way. Hopefully we get focused here. There we go. I think we're back. Okay. And I don't know why the handle is brown. That doesn't make any sense to me. Shouldn't it match the rest of the mug, which is blue? That doesn't look right. But anyway, moving along. We're going to put the hot chocolate or the coffee up at the top there. I'll call it coffee because I don't really drink hot chocolate. It is brown. On my camera, it's looking black, or it's looking darker than it actually is, but it is like a dark brown. And then they've got these cute little, I believe they're marshmallows that you're going to put on top here. And look at how cute that is. Oh, that's adorable. Love it. And then basically you're just decorating the mug from there. And I apologize, my dog is in the background messing around, so I apologize if you hear her chewing and licking and doing all kinds of things. She's got all her toys out. She has gotten the Advent box from Aldi, as well as my cat had one as well. So we're going through those, and so she's got 589 toys laying out because she keeps pulling one toy at a time out of her toy box, and she doesn't put it back, of course, like a small child. She leaves it on the floor. Anyway, so if you hear her in the background, I apologize for that. So they've got the little gemstones, and I always say if you have, the gems or anything from Dollar Tree, that maybe could help make your ornament a little bit more special. This is the case here as well. And then they've got this very strange bow that we're going to put on the front of the mug. That's just strange to me. I don't know why you would have a bow on a mug. It doesn't make sense to me, but that's okay. I'm just going to make it look like the picture looks. I think my dog got mad at me. She just put her head down and stopped chewing and all the things. Stop playing. I feel bad now. Okay, I think that was it. Is that it? That's it. Simple and easy. 2-minute craft. Maybe 3 or 4 minutes. But there it is. It's not bad. It's just not, it's strange to me. I don't know. I thank you so much for stopping by Nattys Crafts today. I sure hope you could give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and be sure to subscribe. When you subscribe, hit the bell so you know when the next video comes out. Please remember to appreciate today, as tomorrow is never promised. Thanks, y'all. Y'all have a great one.